Greetings from windy beach on the north coast of Rhodos, right in the heart of the Rhodos city. And just less than 1 kilometer away from my hotel, Hotel Helena, where I'm staying. And today is day 4 of the beach adventures with Kris. So I'm almost halfway through the holiday here in Rhodos, and it is my very first time in Rhodos. Now I have shown you already this beach on my first day of arrival, which was 4th of May, and today is 7th of May. And it looks like we're gonna have like a cloudy afternoon, but so far the sun is up and I'm ready for another beach adventure. Now I had a bit of a pain in my throat yesterday and today, but I still managed to hang in there as I believe that the sun and the sea will help me to heal quicker. So maybe I'm catching some kind of a cold, but I will cure the cold with a swim in the sea. It's just that unpleasant feeling I have in my throat. And I'm at Windy Beach. And for the name, it should be a bit more windy, but today it's a bit more calmer than windy. So Windy Beach on a no windy day, I would say. And I'm towards the end of the beach on the northernmost part of Rhodos. And around the beach over there we have Eli Beach that starts, where we have a lot of sunbeds. And it's usually a bit calmer, but now I think that the wind comes from that side. And not so many people today on the windy beach as it is off season, obviously, just 7th of May. And I just love it when it is like this, because that means it is cheaper, there are less people, and what was the third thing? And it's also not that hot. Yes, it's only 22 degrees Celsius today. If you come here in June, July, August, it's above 30 under shadow, which means 50 under the sun. So yes, yesterday I went to see the Acropolis of Rhodos. It was very nice to see, and especially the Olympic Stadium over there as well. And I only made one beach vlog yesterday. Let's see if I will be able to make one more. But at least this episode is from today, day 4, 7. The water looks super clean, and here you can see Turkey on the other side, very close. Not so much today, it's a bit cloudy. The sun is like in a mist. And yeah, the beach is with pebbles, and here inside there are only pebbles. While if you go southern or south towards this beach, you can find some sandy area inside the water, which is a bit better. But let's see, because when I was here last time I was a bit further down and it was very deep. Let's see if now we're gonna have a bit more sand inside here on the windy beach in Rhodos city. Yeah, this is how it looks like on a random day in May, random Wednesday in May. Oh god, I actually miss Sweden, the country where I live. I have been very few days in Sweden this year as I was traveling a lot, so I look forward to go back. Now next week is actually Eurovision Song Contest, and I really wanted to go to Vasa, but I don't have tickets, so actually it's better maybe to stay in Sweden and chill and hope for Sweden to win, so I can see it live next year in Stockholm and don't pay lots of money for trip, flights and accommodation. And actually Switzerland, it's quite expensive. I mean, I can afford it, but yeah, let's see. I may go, I may not go. So yeah, it's time then to take a swim at Windy Beach in Rhodos, Greece. So let's go. Woo! Amazing. Brilliant. Look at my view. It's perfect. I can see all the way down to the end of the island over here. Now, it's actually quite a big island. If you want to go from the northernmost part here to the southernmost, it's like 90 kilometers by road, maybe a bit less if you go straight, which is impossible on an island that has high mountains also. So yes, there is one beautiful beach on the southern part where the waters of the Mediterranean and the Aegean Sea meet. And I want to go there, but it's like 90 kilometers one way, which means it will take me around 4 hours just to get there and get back. So I need to see the schedule and if it fits me, because I have only 3 full days now here, and this cold that has gotten me, it makes me not to fully enjoy my holiday. But yeah, it could have been worse. That's my thought now. But this is beautiful, and I can see also a pirate ship over there. Now I have been on so many cruises like that, short boat trips, like day trips I mean, and I don't find it that much amusing anymore. If only it goes to some very exciting locations that I can't go by foot, I take sometimes the day boat trips. From here you can take also a ferry to one of the other islands in the surroundings, to Simi, that's very close to Turkey, to Kos, and to many other. I have been to Kos, so I don't need to go there, but Simi sounds exciting, and I need to see if it's possible to go there and stay for a few hours also, not just go back and forth. But yeah, the water, let me say that it's super clean and fresh. It's really amazing. And here it gets deep very fast, as we are basically on open sea. So yeah, that's a wrap then from Windy Beach Adventure on the 7th of May, 1 p.m. now. And I'm gonna be enjoying here more today, not filming that much, but more enjoying. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.